Good morning, students. Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to speak like a native English speaker. Lily will use simple English and Aarvi will teach the advanced version. Let's begin.
Okay.
Lily, how do you feel before lunch? I am very hungry. And Aarvi? You can say I'm starving or I'm famished. Both means you're extremely hungry.
Okay.
Lily, you just finished running. How do you feel? I'm very thirsty. I'm parched. Great job. Now imagine here there is no AC. How do you feel? I'm very hot. I'm boiling. Correct. Lily, why are you yawning in my class? I'm very sleepy. I'm exhausted. That's much more natural. Teacher, can I go washroom very fast, please? Go ahead, Aarvi. How can she say it differently? I'm bursting for the toilet or I'm desperate to use the bathroom. Excellent. Lily, who ate your lunch? I'm very angry. Aarvi, you ate my lunch? Say, I'm furious. Correct. Lily, you got full marks in your English test. I am very happy. Say, I am thrilled. Great job. Lily, there's a spider. I'm very scared. Say, I'm terrified. Correct. Don't worry, I pranked you. Great job, everyone. Today you will learn how to use stronger English in a fun way. Yeah, that was easy to remember. And it sounds much more natural. Exactly. Keep practicing these words every day. I will try to use them in class tomorrow. Me too. See you in the next class. Bye. Bye. Bye.